In today's video, I'm going to teach you a simple yet effective guide on how to create a shortcut for Microsoft Teams on your desktop. This process is handy for those who frequently use Microsoft Teams and want quick access directly from their desktop. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to streamline your workflow with just a few clicks. Let's begin by heading over to your desktop. This is your main screen on which you can organize applications and documents. Once you're there, the next step involves using the search function to find the Run dialog. You can do this by either typing Run into the search bar, or, to make things even quicker, simply press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard simultaneously. This little trick is a convenient way to open applications swiftly without navigating your entire system. After you've opened the Run dialog, you'll need to type in a specific command, Shell Apps Folder. This command is essentially a shortcut to accessing the Applications folder on your computer. It's a useful command to remember because it opens up a folder containing all the apps installed on your system, making it easier to locate any app you might need. With the Applications folder now open, your main task is to locate Microsoft Teams within this folder. Depending on how many applications you have, you might need to scroll through a bit. But don't worry, the apps are generally listed alphabetically, so it shouldn't be too challenging to find Microsoft Teams. Once you've found Microsoft Teams, hover over this application and right-click it. This action will bring up a contextual menu with several options. What you're looking for here is the option that says Create Shortcut. Click on this option and a shortcut will instantly be created. Now your newly created shortcut won't originally appear on the desktop itself. Instead, a message might appear prompting you to place it on the desktop. Go ahead and confirm this action. By doing so, you ensure that whenever you need to access Microsoft Teams, it's just a double click away, sitting right there on your desktop for easy access. And that's it. You have successfully created a desktop shortcut for Microsoft Teams. This small effort can significantly enhance your productivity, allowing you to start your Teams meetings or chat with colleagues without unnecessary navigation. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your day-to-day computer use more efficient. Stay tuned for more tips and don't hesitate to leave any questions or comments you might have down below. Happy computing!